Hello, so the next question is, in a PN junction diode, the change in temperature due to heating. Option 1 is affects only reverse resistance. Option 2 is affects the overall VI characteristic of PN junction. Option 3 is does not affect the resistance of PN junction. And option 4 affects only forward resistance. So the correct option of the following question is affects the overall VI characteristics of a PN junction, which is option number 2. Option number 2 is the correct answer of the following question. If you remember, there is a graph in your textbook which is something like this: 0 at this, and then it is between the current and voltage. So as seen from the graph, change in temperature affects the IV graph. So in PN junction diode, the change in temperature due to heating affects the overall VI characteristic of the PN junction. Thank you.